N-central has best practice notifications built in. Notifications allow you to configure an alert to generate automatically when an issue is detected. If you go ahead and click into a built-in notification, the first option that can be configured is the recipient. Recipients on the left will not receive an alert, while recipients on the right will receive the notification. You have the option to delay the alert and repeat if necessary. You would use the delay option when you'd like N-central to have time to check the status of a service a few times before generating an alert. An example of this would be CPU. Check the CPU percentage used a few times to validate if the service has been in a failed threshold for a certain amount of time before generating an alert. An example when not to use a delay would be if a server went offline. You would not want any delay before receiving an alert. You have the option to add users to the escalation process if necessary. Note, out of the box, N-central has only the primary notification configured. There are no repeat behaviors configured. Selecting the Trigger Details tab exposes any and all triggers currently configured in the notification profile. You may choose to add or delete a trigger from this screen. Go ahead and select a trigger. Here under Step 1, you can choose whether N-central notifies when a service changes or a particular instance of the service changes. Example of a service changing would be the disk service. If any disk fails, notify a technician. An example of an instance of a service changing would be if you like an email only if the C drive fails, then notify a technician. You are able to select one or many services, or you can select one of the many instances instead. Step 2 allows you to add the rule to the trigger. Example, if you included disk in Step 1 and servers-Windows rule in Step 2, the result would be generate an alert if any disk fills up on any Windows server within my customers. Save your changes to the trigger and profile to finish the notification profile.